much tastier than French fries. This recipe makes you want to repeat it every day. To start, let's take 1 kilogram of potatoes and cut them into even strips. And let me know if you also like potato recipes. I love them because they're so versatile. Next, transfer them to a large pot where the potatoes will cook until they are tender. Now just cover everything with water. Add a pinch of salt to season, and let them cook until they reach the right point. Once they're cooked, we'll transfer the potatoes to a bowl and drizzle a little olive oil, enough to coat each potato strip well. Time to season. Add 5 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 of paprika, 2 crushed garlic cloves, and black pepper to taste. To finish the ingredients, chop a little fresh parsley, which will add that aroma and freshness to our recipe. Once chopped, just mix it with the potatoes. Now, using a spatula, carefully mix everything, coating each piece with the spices and seasonings. Look how beautiful it's looking. If you're watching this recipe this far, it means you're liking it. So rate this recipe from 0 to 10 so I can keep making delicious recipes like this one. And don't forget to tell me where you're watching from so I can send you a special hug in the next video. Done! Now arrange the potatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between them so they bake evenly and become crispy on the outside. Only those who love potatoes like I do know that the perfect combination of flavor, crunchiness on the outside, and tenderness inside is simply irresistible. Share your favorite recipes in the comments below. I'd love to know which dishes you like most so I can bring new delicious recipes for you. Now just place them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And done. Our potatoes came out of the oven golden and crispy, perfect to eat with a special sauce. Here I'm using mayonnaise, but you can choose your favorite sauce. I'm sure you'll love making this recipe at home. Every time I make it here, my family asks me to make more. If you liked this recipe and found the tips useful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. I'm sure it will be a success on any occasion, whether for a family lunch or to impress your guests at a special dinner. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time.